Are you looking for the perfect 30-minute meal for your family on the weekdays? Well, we've got you covered. So I was in the kitchen one day and I was trying to come up with something creative that sounded good today. And I got a quick little inspiration, thank the Lord. Okay, so first you're gonna take 4 of the chicken breast tenderloins. And we're just gonna dice these up. Just cut them in half. And we're gonna dice them up. Right, and after you dice the chicken, just go ahead, return that to the plate. I'm just gonna use a little bit of salt, some pepper, onion powder, and some garlic powder. And just mix it together. The season's all over the chicken. Next, we're gonna dice up a couple slices of white onion. Next, we're going to take our fresh broccoli florets, and just going to kind of halfen some of the bigger ones. Obviously, you can cut the excess stalks off if you would like. We're just going to pour olive oil in the pan. We're going to heat it up so it's nice so it can be nice and hot. And while that is heating up, we can go ahead and place our pineapple tidbits in a skillet. Nothing else. I'm just honestly just gonna kind of cook these a little bit so they can get a little bit of a char on them. And we're just gonna cook those while we cook the other ingredients. And make sure that you drain the juice out from the pineapple tidbits as well. Once the cast iron skillet or whatever pan you choose to cook with is nice and hot, we're going to just go ahead and put the broccoli in there with the onions, and we're going to cook this down for about 7 to 10 minutes. And we're going to use a lid to help cover it so it can steam it a little bit as well. And just occasionally check it and stir it while you tend to your pineapples. These are heating up. When cooking these, you want a slight char to your broccoli. I feel like it gives it a nice little flavor. Okay, and pineapple will just look like this, just a light little char to it, nothing much major. Let me just set these aside. So now that these have been cooking for about 8 to 10 minutes, you can see how it has a nice char to it, the broccoli and the onion. We're gonna place our chicken and cook it on this side. I wanna add just a little bit more olive oil, so that way it doesn't stick. I'll continue to cook the broccoli and the chicken. And we're gonna cover it and just turn the food occasionally. And we're gonna cook the chicken until there's no more pink, which should take about 6-7 minutes, because it's gonna cook a little bit more when we put the other ingredients in. After we're done cooking the chicken for about 7 minutes, we're gonna take our pre-made fried rice, and we're just gonna put this right dab in the center. And next, we're gonna take our we're gonna take a cooking sauce, a stir fry cooking sauce. We got this from HEB, but you can use whatever brand, and sauce. And we're just gonna pour that over. We're gonna mix it all together. This HEB stir fry sauce is good. What's your favorite brand of stir fry sauce? You can leave it down below in the comments. And we're just gonna stir this together, and we're gonna cover it with a lid, and we're gonna basically just kind of let it cook on about medium-low heat for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. All right, and there it is, voila. Our quick 30-minute meal. Got your chicken and rice and broccoli, and we're gonna top it with the pineapples. Some of them yummy pineapples on top. And there you go. Well, doesn't that look good? It is good. We hope that you guys try this recipe of ours. Also, if more meals like this interest you, comment down below and let us know. All right, so if this video was at all helpful to you, I ask that you go ahead and press that thumbs up, hit that like button. Also, comment down below if you're going to try this recipe, and if you do, let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to check out our latest video uploads.